everyone, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm once again going to be packing up my whole life into a backpack. If you're new here and you've not seen my videos before, this is my third backpacking trip. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I am packing. I've tried to make it as clear and concise as possible to be as helpful as I can, showing you guys literally everything that I'm taking and how I've packed it. If you want to see my previous pack with me videos for my last backpacking trips, then I'll link those below. If you guys didn't see my last couple videos where I kind of announced my trip and what I'm doing, then go check those out and just stay tuned to my channel because all of the travel content is going to be coming really soon. I literally fly today. I've got such a cold today and I literally can't speak. I'm trying to say stuff and I'm saying it 5 times because my head is just all over the place. Not ideal on my travel day. So this is the Euro Hike Nepal backpack. It's from Go Outdoors and you can get it for, I think the 65 litre one is normally about £35, and then the 85 litre one, I got this for £45, or it might have even been £40 because I got it on Black Friday. But yeah, these are really affordable backpacks, and as I said, my last one I used it for 7 months of backpacking. I went on so many flights, so many ferries, buses, trains, can't even tell you how many journeys that backpack went on, and for such an affordable backpack it did so well. So just going into the main features of this backpack, so obviously it's got the big main pocket inside, and then on the bottom of the backpack you've got a separate zip pocket as well. This compartment here does open if you wanted to have it as just one giant compartment. It's got the 2 side pockets. On the back it's got the proper shoulder strap with a good amount of support and padding. It's got the waist straps, which are super important if you're going backpacking, because what that does is just helps balance out the weight. And I think that's pretty much all the features to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get into what I am packing. I'm going to link below my backpack itself, and I'll also link below my packing cubes, which I'm going to show you guys. So I thought I'd start by showing you guys the packing cube set that I've got because I do really recommend this one. This is from Amazon, and as you can see it comes with quite a few different sizes inside, so this is always useful. I decided to start my packing today with all my liquids and like health kind of items. So I emptied them all out on my bed so I could see what I've got to work with. So then I started to decant some of the bigger bottles and liquids into these small travel size ones. And this is one of my top packing tips because all those big bottles are going to take up so much space in your backpack, so it's much better to minimize it as much as you can. The next thing I always do is take everything out of boxes and packaging. So if you've got any tablets, anything like that which comes in boxes, remove it all, get rid of the packaging. And you'll see as well that I am tying things together with little elastic bands just to keep them organised and keep them together. So now just to summarise on all the liquids and like health related stuff that I've got, I thought I'd just show you everything that I'm taking. Obviously this is just what I'm taking, it's not necessarily what you need to take. It does look like quite a lot, but this is like very condensed for me. This is absolutely pretty much the bare minimum stuff that I can take. Obviously that will vary person to person, like some of you won't need contact lenses, some of you might not use tampons, etc, etc. This is my bare minimum. I've got a couple of bottles of micellar water, which is what I use to take my makeup off. If you don't wear any makeup, then that's one problem solved for you. I've got some nail polish remover because I am going to paint my nails and I know that it's going to come off inevitably and I'm going to have to redo them. So I've got some moisturiser here, and then I've got a second moisturiser as well. For me this is the part of my skincare that I'm taking. Up to you how much skincare and stuff like that you take. I've got this facial spray which I've decanted my big bottle into the smaller size. I've got all of the tampons. If you're wondering why I'm taking so many, I mean this was just one box. I think it was like a box of 36, but the reason being is because after Africa I'm going to Southeast Asia again, and I found last time that tampons are quite hard to find in Southeast Asia, and when you do find them they are really expensive. And I've never done anything like volunteering in Africa before, but I presume that I'm not going to be able to buy stuff like this either, so I'd rather just take it. 3 razors, I've got a pack of plasters, they always come in handy. Then all my tablets, I've got some allergy tablets just in case. I've got some diarrhea tablets, got ibuprofen and paracetamol. I've got a mini size conditioner, this is my shampoo. Also got my purple shampoo, which I alternate between the two. Yeah, that is not gonna last me until I get to Australia, but I've got a mini shower gel. I got this from Lush the other day. I wanted to treat myself, but this is one of my favourite smells ever. Last time I went travelling, I took the Lush soap bars instead of the shower gel. Yeah, I didn't really like the shower bars. I much prefer an actual shower gel. I've got 2 mosquito repellent. I've got a shaving foam. To be honest, I'll see if this fits. It's not that essential because I can use shower gel. It doesn't have to be shaving foam, but these are all of my contact lenses. Got some sun cream, some after sun. This is my aloe gel for when I get a sunburn. I've got some Diarrhelite, which is like rehydration sachets. Got some Antizan. I don't know if that's how you say it, Antizan. This is the best thing for bites and stings. As you can see, this is the one I used on my last trip. I forgot to buy a new one, so I'm just going to take the remaining bit of products that I've got in there. I'm taking a deodorant, some cold and flu tablets, which I'm using currently, and then these 2 bottles I'm just going to fill with body spray, like perfume or body spray. And I think that's everything for liquids. I just got these mini makeup wipes to take in my carry-on. So now we're going to try and put it into a packing cube, and some cotton pads for removing makeup and stuff. Let's see how this goes. I am also, in addition, going to have my makeup bag, which looks like this. I forgot, you're going to laugh at this, but I am also taking my fake tan. You're probably thinking I'm such a bougie backpacker, but trust me, some people take more than this, but I don't go anywhere without my fake tan, so I will be taking this with me. I just need to wrap it up. If you are traveling with fake tan, always wrap it in quite a few bags and don't have it loose in the packing cube or near any clothes or anything, because sometimes when you're flying or when you're traveling it can leak. So everything's looking as it's in the packing cube. It's a bit of a game of Tetris when you're packing a backpack, and you've just got to kind of play around with it, move things around until you see how it fits best. So things around the edges to use up all the space and fill out the packing cube. And that is packing cube number 1 complete. My heaviest one out of all of them, it usually is, but that one's out the way now. So when it comes to clothes, what I like to do is lay everything out on the floor that I want to take, which currently is all of this. You'll hear most backpackers and travellers say lay out everything that you want to take, then half it, and some people will even say half it again after that. It's completely true, to be honest. I probably do need to take some out of this pile, but I'm going to see how it goes. For me, this is really minimal, but we'll see how it looks when it's actually in piles and going into the packing cubes and stuff. Okay, so this is how it's looking now. We've got 4 different piles going on. So over there, we've got trousers and different kinds of pants. This pile is skirts, and I think there's a dress in there as well. This pile here is shorts, and this pile here is tops, t-shirts, vest tops, everything like that. So I don't really want to minimize it any more than this, so I think I'm going to try and see now how all of this packs up, because it might pack up quite small, to be honest, because a lot of it's really thin and lightweight. So let's see. I completely forgot to run through this packing cube before I started putting it in, but we've got denim shorts, some cargo pants, some lightweight trousers, some black trousers, my favourite cargo pants, and a denim skirt. And then all that's left in the trouser pile is a pair of these yoga pants or workout pants. Then I've got a maxi skirt, a few short skirts, a couple of dresses, I've got a few pairs of shorts, I've got a ton of different vest tops, but these do pack up really small, as you guys will see. These are my favourite thing to wear while travelling. So that's all the clothes that I took. I did also take 2 pairs of trainers, including the ones I wore to the airport, a pair of sandals, a pair of flip-flops, this small packing cube containing all my underwear and bikinis, also my travel towel, my packaway raincoat, and I did also bring my hair straighteners. So that is all for my pack with me video. I hope you guys have enjoyed and found it helpful. If you did find it helpful, please just leave me a little comment below, because it helps me out a lot. Again, if you've got any questions about the backpack, about packing, going backpacking in general, feel free to comment them and I'd be really happy to help you with them. Now I'm gonna go and just finalize everything, make sure I've got everything before I head to the airport. So the next time you guys see me will be in my travel day vlog, where I'm gonna be flying solo to Africa. If you guys want to keep up with my journey, what I get up to in Africa, moving to Australia, all of that, then make sure that you are subscribed and you turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all soon for my travel day vlog. Bye!